Many of you like to improve your physical condition and, of course, by going to the gym. But unfortunately, many people do not have enough time for that. In these cases, perhaps the best way is to practice at home. But the good thing about working with dumbbells is that they can be used even in small spaces like home. Stay tuned with us if you want to know what exercises you can do at home with dumbbells. Let's begin with our number 10. Dumbbell Squat. Spread your legs more than shoulder width apart and hold the dumbbells in front of your chest with both hands. Sit on your knees while holding a dumbbell or weight in your hands. The important thing about this type of squat is that you should not bend your back and just sit and stand up. You should sit as far as your thighs are parallel to the ground and do not increase the angle of your thighs with the ground. Squat with dumbbells is suitable for any level of bodybuilding. This movement specifically targets the activation of the thigh muscles, and it also affects the muscles of both arms. Number 9. Dumbbell Clean. Simultaneously with the short jump and lifting of the dumbbells, rotate your wrists so that the dumbbells reach your shoulders. Then lift yourself off the ground with the dumbbells above your shoulders. Sit on your feet slowly, and then get up and sit on your knees again with your hands up and repeat the same movement. If you want to look like an Olympic athlete, you have to do it with repetition, speed, and power. Incorporate this powerful lift into your workout, as the dumbbell movement builds muscle structure for you and explosive strength in your muscles. This movement also draws blood to your glutes, hamstrings, shoulders, and arms to increase your muscle strength. Number 8. Farmer Walk. This movement is one of the most popular bodybuilding movements at home. Walking in this movement should be short and fast while holding the dumbbells in your hand. Dumbbells should be held next to the body, and continue walking. This movement is a technique that you should not worry about. Even doing too much cannot cause you injury. Holding the dumbbells next to the body puts good pressure on the muscles of your hands, which will be a group exercise for all the muscles next to the leg muscles. Number 7. Dumbbell Deadlift. To do this movement, just open your legs shoulder width apart and hold the dumbbells in your hands so that they are in front of your body. Then slowly bend down from the front and back up again. Due to the similarity of this movement with deadlift, it has been given this name. Why should you do a dumbbell deadlift? A dumbbell deadlift is a movement that involves several muscle groups. For example, in addition to affecting your back muscles, it also increases the strength of your legs and prevents injuries that may occur with age by strengthening your back and legs. This movement is one of the best movements to build your back and neck muscles. Number 6. Dumbbell Swing. To do this, spread your legs a little wider than shoulder width apart and give the dumbbell to one of your hands. Then put your hand between your legs and sit slightly on your knees. Lift up the dumbbell with a hand blast and do it again. Why does a single-handed swing be beneficial? The single-handed swing move is a good exercise for your torso and legs. Your shoulder and arm muscles will all be involved in this movement. After performing repetitions for one hand, give the dumbbell to the other hand and repeat the movement. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell. Now, let's dive right into the number 5 of our list. Number 5. Chest press with dumbbells. The mother of all movements and bodybuilding exercises is the chest press movement. To do this, lie on a table that is slightly higher than the ground. Hold the dumbbells and place them on top of your chest so that your hands are straight. Slowly bring your hands down and then press your hands up again. This movement may seem to be related only to the chest, but this movement affects all the muscles of the chest, arms, forearms, and shoulders and is one of the best movements for the upper torso. Number 4. Bicep curl. Stand up straight, spread your legs shoulder width apart, bend your knees slightly, and contract your central muscles. Hold the forearm in each hand, arms hanging on either side. Raise the dumbbells to shoulder level, but do not move the arms, tighten the biceps as you move. Then return to the original state. Exhale while lifting the dumbbell and inhale while lowering the dumbbell, keeping your back straight while performing this movement. Number 3. Triceps kickback. To do this movement, the arms should be bent at a 90-degree angle, and the knees should be slightly bent. Squeeze the core muscles and keep the spine straight as you bend. Turn until the chest is almost parallel to the ground. The arms should be close to the body, and the head and spine should form a straight line. Straighten your elbows and push the dumbbell back without moving your arms. Exhale at the same time. Stay in this position for a while and return to the original position by doing the tail. To do this movement, it is better to start with a lighter dumbbell and gradually increase the weight of the dumbbell as it becomes stronger. This movement targets the back of the arm. In doing this movement, you should keep your shoulders and upper body as stable as possible. Number 2. Weighted sit-ups. Lie on your back, with your feet flat on the floor and 2 dumbbells above your chest. Move upwards and raise the dumbbell to the ceiling. Then lower your body and return to your original position. You can also do this movement with bent knees and a dumbbell. Hold the dumbbell with both hands above the chest and ask someone to hold your legs. This will prevent you from putting pressure on your neck while trying to keep your legs down. Lift your torso off the ground and move to your knees, slowly lowering your body. Number 1. Snatch. Place the dumbbell on the floor and stand on top of it, with your legs slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Hold the dumbbell with one hand. Pull your hips back and lower yourself to a squat position. Try to keep your chest high and your back straight. While straightening your legs and waist, raise your hips, stand up straight, and keep your arms straight. After lifting the dumbbells above the head, lower the arm, pull the hips back, and bend the knees into a squat position. In the squat position, lower the dumbbell and place it on the floor. Do the same steps, on the other hand. Dumbbells are relatively inexpensive, highly portable, and perfect for the home. If you know more dumbbell workouts, feel free to share them with us in the comments section below. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the recommended videos on the left and right sides of the screen for more awesome binge-worthy content from us.